Glomas Vigo ni thina umanaga na gukura na njira itagirire ya cells mwiri-ini. Thina uria ugumagira ngingo na kana mutwe no uria ucungagiriria wimbo ciĩga-ini ici cieri. Maumirira mari mundu kugia na thina wa kwaga kuigua, thauti kurituha, kuremwo ni kumeria kindu na kuria rimwe kura thakame matu-ini iguru ria mathina mangi. Luyok Tisiliwene kaheka ukuru wa miaka 4 kuma kaunti ya West Pokot karia gakoretwo kagomeirwo ni thina uyu kwa ihinda ria mwaka umwe, undu uria kuringana na itheno Kiuka Domogoloi wacungiririe murwe kuremwo ni kumeria kindu.
Mwaka moja yanza paka sai
ni thutha wa mitangiko mingi na gute mwihoko family no irarigiririe thibitari-ini munene wa Naikuru wimbo uria kuringana na ndagitari Moiko Sitima urari na uraihu wa sentimita 16 na uria urathararitie murutire wa wira wa mukiha wa kuhihia kumeria na kwaria.
This is a nerve sheath tumor. It originates from a nerve called the vagus nerve, which is a very deep nerve in the neck. It is a part of the nerves that control breathing and swallowing and very many other functions. So it's a rare tumor. It is known to occur more in children than in adults.
Ni urigitani uroire ihinda ria mathaa 5 ugitafanio ni batoni ya rigitani mari na ogi wa mithemba itiganite. Urigitani uria mugite urari muritu makiria kuona murwaru ni araikarite ihinda inene atekwamukira urigitani.
The tumor was extending from the skull base. The skull base is basically the region just below the ear, all the way down into the neck, almost into the thorax, and therefore the tumor was extending through the whole neck, and it was compressing on some structures in the mouth and the airway, the area where we used to breathe, and we are happy that having removed it, we expect the boy will make a full recovery.
Ndagitari munene thibitari-ini wa Naikuru Aisha Maina ni agathiririe urigitani uyu akiuga ica ikuhi thibitari uyu ukoretwo kiamukira arwaru mari na mirimu irabatara urigitani wa gikiro kia iguru.
PGH currently is really focusing on service delivery, how to improve our service delivery. So we are really getting our specialists back. And now we even have super specialists. We have disciplines like oncology, which has been running for the last 3 years.
Makeria ni undu agwetete ta uhotani munene kuri thibitari uyu.
It is a special day because we have never had such a kind of surgery in the history of PGH. I'd like to give credit to some things that have been done by the county that has enabled us to have such provisions for such specialized treatment.
Giribotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Naikuru, ritwa riakwa no wa ng'ombe wa Maina.